Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl nesa, addie, and I'm back at it again with another video, period. So today's video is something that I never thought I would do. I'm going to be installing a wig by myself. This wig is from Cynosure, and like it says on the screen, everything will be linked down below. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my wig cap and spraying some Gossipy glue spray on it. I've seen some YouTube videos and a lot of people do this. This is not really like a tutorial, but I'm just going to talk you guys through it. I definitely need some help, so my sister is here helping me. I'll link all her socials down below because she even helped edit this video. But yeah. So after I go in with the Gossipy glue spray, I'm going to be taking the blow dryer and I'm just going to blow dry it to help it dry a little faster. You don't have to do this, but I definitely recommend doing this because it did help it dry a little bit faster than what it would have if I didn't do this. But yeah, I would say the hardest part with the blow drying and the Gossipy glue spray was the ears. It was really hard because I didn't know where to put it exactly or where to cut it, and I know a lot of people had questions about that, and I wish I could help, but I think I kind of messed up on it, so I don't want to say too much because I'm not really sure what I did. So now I'm just going in with some scissors to cut out my ear holes. Once again, I'm just following a tutorial, so I definitely recommend you guys following a tutorial. Do not follow this as a tutorial because this is not a tutorial, y'all. I'm just showing y'all what I did and what you shouldn't do. I cut out my ear holes, but I did forget to like spray. I think I did spray it, but I don't think they stayed down for that long. So if you are going to do this, make sure you either cut like that little tab in front of your ear or just make sure you spray it down really well, because I don't think I sprayed it down really well, so I ended up having to cut it off camera. Also, now I'm just taking the cap and pulling it back to where I want my wig to stop, kind of, and I'm just peeling it off, you know. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this a million times, so y'all know what I'm doing. So now that that's done, I'm taking a cotton pad and some micellar water because I didn't have any alcohol. And I'm just going to rub my forehead to take off all the glue or all the spray or whatever you want to call it. And remove from my forehead so that my forehead will be free and clean. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Deep Golden and the number 368. I'm using this foundation. I'm just patting it all over my bald cap, and I'm just doing this so that the lace matches my skin and it all blends together nicely. Then I went in and sprayed some Got2b glue spray in the wig because I've seen a lot of people do that. I'm not really sure what it does, but I did that, and I think it helps, stick the wig to your cap a little bit better. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, after that, I put the wig on and I'm just brushing it. I sprayed it with water so I could pluck it a little better. And yeah. Okay, so this was one of the hardest parts. I split the lace into 3 sections, but I would recommend just gluing it like all together. I really wouldn't recommend splitting it in 3 sections. I just feel like it's kind of pointless. Like, I feel like you should just do it all together. That method doesn't really work for me, but it might work for you. I would say try it, but I would probably just recommend just doing it all at once. As you can tell at the end, I just did the last 2 sections and just did them all together. Also, to glue down my lace, I'm using the Ghost Bond glue. I actually found out that this glue is irritating my skin, so I'm actually going to be removing this wig very, very soon. I've only had it in for a couple days now, but I'm trying to hang on to it because I did buy this wig with my own money. So I'm trying to hold on to it because I really don't want to let it go. But the glue is irritating my skin. I'm getting like, I'm breaking out across my forehead a little bit. So if you have sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't recommend Ghost Bond. I'm pretty sure there's other glues like Bold Hold and other stuff like that. But yeah, I got Ghost Bond and yeah. So this is the part where me and my sister messed up. We ended up cutting above my ear a little bit we ended up cutting too much lace off, so it kind of looks bad if you flip that hair up, but with my hair down you can't really see it, and if I put it in a ponytail you can't see it, but it's something I can see and I know I need to work on. So I would just recommend like cutting a little bit above your ear, but it's really hard for me because my ears are really small and it's really hard for me to cut because I can't see them that well. But the other side wasn't that bad, but I would just recommend really practicing and trying really hard on the ear part, because that part is the hardest part, and just watch a whole bunch of videos because it's really hard. Then I'm taking an eyebrow razor, is that what they call it, or something like that? I'm taking the eyebrow razor and I'm just gonna use that to cut off the lace. I heard that makes it look a little bit more natural than just going straight across with scissors. I honestly think I should have just went straight across because I feel like it would just look better. It would have looked a little bit better, but yeah, I wasn't really a huge fan of the eyebrow razor method because it kind of looked a little jagged and crooked, and I didn't like that. So after that I went and did my baby hairs. I'm pretty sure you guys seen how everybody does their baby hairs, but I did go back and put some foundation concealer on my part and my lace and all of that. But that's the end of this video, guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the results that will be posted at the end. Also, if you want to see more, it's posted on my Instagram. Bye.